Want to enable browser integration in KeePassXC. A browser integration allows KeePassXC to work with supported web browsers, so you can quickly fill in usernames, passwords, and other login details without copying and pasting them manually. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable browser integration in KeePassXC step by step. Let's get started. First, open KeePassXC and unlock your password database. Next, click the Tools menu and select Settings. This is where you can enable browser integration and configure supported browsers. Inside the Settings window, open the Browser Integration section. Turn on the option to enable browser integration. Then select the web browsers you want KeePassXC to work with, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Brave, or other supported Chromium-based browsers. Next, install the official KeePassXC browser extension for your preferred browser if it isn't already installed. After installation, restart your browser so the extension is ready to communicate with KeePassXC. Now open your browser and click the KeePassXC browser extension. When prompted, approve the connection request inside KeePassXC. Once the connection is established, the browser and KeePassXC can securely communicate with each other. Finally, visit a website with a login page. Unlock your KeePassXC database if necessary, then use the browser extension to fill in your saved username and password automatically. This can save time while helping you avoid typing mistakes, and that's how to enable browser integration in KeePassXC. Once it's configured, you can quickly and securely fill in login information across supported web browsers while keeping your passwords protected in your encrypted database. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.